Hello guys, like I promised in the last video, today we preserve the chili in oil. Better if you use extra virgin olive oil, but you can use the oil that you can find in your country. I will use the same chili that I used last time, the yellow one, the red, the green. You can use all the chili that you like. You need the chili, you need the salt, and you need the oil. But also we need a drainer like this and a towel, and naturally the jar where we should put our chili. First of all, we should cut it. Also, if you have a glove, it's better because they are very spicy, so you can burn your skin, and also if you touch yourself in some place after, you will remember forever. Coming back to the recipe, now we should cut the chili in small pieces, up to you, the dimension that you want to cut it, and after we should mix with the salt, but I show you now. Okay, cut the chili and put the salt. Probably I will add also a little bit of small salt, another teaspoon, because this one is too big. It's the one they usually use for bacon, for pancetta, for prosciutto. You need something between the very big one and the small one, not so big. So add the salt, we take a strain, we put inside a towel, we put the chili with the salt, we cover, and we put something heavy on the top. And you should wait one night. But because I want to do different colors, I will divide my strain in 4 sections. I will do red, yellow, green. In this way, I can decide how to mix my chili. If you don't care, don't worry, it's not a problem. You can do only one color, also you can mix all the colors together. So see you tomorrow. Okay, the following morning we remove the heavy things that we put on the top. Yesterday I put 5-6 liters of water. And now we can put our chili in the jar. Better if you sterilize the jar always. We put the chili and we cover with the oil. Our chili in extra virgin olive oil are ready. Most important things, every time that you take a little bit of chili, you need to refill again with the oil. The chili must always stay under the oil. How long you can keep in the jar? 1 year, until you have again a fresh chili. When is the best time to use it? When you see that the chili, the oil, not the chili, the oil change color. For example, here when the oil start to be a little bit red, means that the oil take the taste from the chili and the chili absorb the oil, so it's the best time to use it. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch the other videos. Anything, any question, down in the comments. Probably in the future I will make some video using this spectacular chili in extra virgin olive oil. They are perfect to make the pasta aglio, olio e peperoncino. The peperoncino is chili. Bye bye!